Debbie and I are here to continue the release festivities. I'm really excited about my project today because I'm going to be inking and embossing and creating, and we're going to make something cute.
Oh, yeah,
I've been talking about this all week,
make something cute.
and today we're going to do it. We are diving in. We have our new Luxe mini ink pads. These just hit the shop yesterday, and they've been flying off the shelves. I know you guys have been excited for these to come in. The Party Collection Luxe colors are our dark ring around the party color wheel. So it's our darkest color, some of our darkest colors. And if you don't have any inks yet, and you grab the Luxe, you may want to also grab Spring Fling so that you have light and dark inks to mix and match together. A lot of times when I'm making a card, I don't use all of the same shade. I mix lights with darks, and it just gives a better, it's good for better design when you do light and dark. Crackin' Good stamp set. Our new Ruffles and Dashes dies. These are a must-have staple for your craft arsenal, and I have some of these cut out. Probably will use them today. So I've been talking all week about creating a holiday card with the Crackin' Good Time stamp set. So we're going to do a holiday card. I grabbed some sentiment sets. I thought the Happy Holidays would be really cute. The Merry Christmas, of course, would be fantastic. I thought maybe holiday one-liners would be really cute on this as well. And then the Merriest sentiments, the Oh What Fun with the crackers, I think is perfect. And then, of course, May Your Holidays Sparkle, because then you have sparkle
And
with
who
the
doesn't
crackers.
love sparkles?
And Follow La 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 would be cute. Maybe like taking these crackers and maybe doing one on this side and one on this. Oh, here. Stamp the Follow La La La, have one cracker here like this, and then do your confetti around the Follow La La La. That would be really, really cute.
Adorable.
So those are some possibilities for things we'll do today. But I'm just going to start stamping these crackers, and we will see what unfolds here. So I die cut these first. I find it easiest to die cut them and then basically just lay the die cut piece back into the space it came out of. I have my sticky mat here on my Misty. I have a little bit of tape in case this tries to pull up. One benefit to a mini ink pad is that you can ink up a smaller spot than you can with a full-size pad. Right. So I'm able to just get that inside inked with my mini. And then if I want, I can come in here with Cranberry Fizz and just do that.
I love the Mitzi.
And it is harder to get this effect with full-size pads.
Oh, isn't that adorable?
So while I'm stamping this, Debbie is here because Erica's off today. What do you do, Debbie? Tell us about your job.
My job is I take care of the wholesale end of things for Catherine Fuller Designs, which is a lot of fun. I pack up a lot of big orders, and I love it. It's like playing Jumanji in a box. So, computer things. Not many, but I'm learning the computer, which is fun.
Buttercream. Okay, get ready, because this is going to be amazing.
Oh, someone's waiting for the apothecary inks to come into minis before she buys them.
Yeah, it usually takes us about a year once we release a color collection for them to come out in minis. So we've got a little bit of time before that happens.
Tanya wants me to start talking. Because you like that New York accent. I know it. Huh? Checking in from Washington State. Carol, hello. How are you today? Is it snowing there? Oh, yeah. She said snowy Washington State. So, yeah, they got snow already. Oh.
You might be wondering about my ink color choice here. Buttercream with Cranberry Fizz and Martini.
Ooh.
You'll understand in a minute.
Oh. She's got something up her sleeve, Catherine does today.
Okay.
That's one of my favorite things.
We got the Wow embossing pad. So I put down a layer of color with that buttercream first. And then I'm just stamping over it with the Wow embossing ink. I want a nice thick coverage of embossing ink because
I feel something coming on. It's snowing hard, she said, in Washington. Oh my gosh. That's so great. Almost Christmas and it's snowing.
Debbie and I both grew up in New York where it was snowy. So I kind of missed that.
In Chicago, overcast.
So here we go. Sandcastle embossing powder. It has some glitter in it. It has some big chunks of white and gold. And so that's why I wanted a nice full coverage of embossing ink, because this is a chunky powder. And also it's a little opaque. So that's why I put the layer of color down first.
Oh, look at that.
And then that color shines through. So if you have stray embossing powder, you can take a little paintbrush and just kind of flick it off.
That's adorable.
And then because it has chunks,
that needs to go far away.
So I'm going to funnel that back in. Okay. If you emboss it from the bottom, see how a lot of it just blew off? That definitely happens with this chunky embossing powder. But heat it from the bottom and you'll trap more in there. And then also that's why you want a good coverage of embossing ink.
Stacy wants to know if there might be a Stamp Nation class in the works for the new year.
Yes.
Oh, that's a yes. Did you hear that, ladies?
Yep, we have several classes planned for next year for our Stamp Nation members. So that is a fabulous perk of membership. They get to join us and learn behind the scenes with special bonus classes. They also get to order first. And sometimes they get ordering perks. They get little freebies and stuff that aren't available to others. So it's pretty great. All right, so decorating. Maybe the snowflake.
Oh.
So we want a darker color. So I'm going to grab the Deck the Halls.
Flora is in New Mexico. Temporary vacation spot. Very nice. I'm sure the weather's very nice there.
Yeah. Oh, so cute.
That is adorable. Look at all the color popping with that cranberry fizz.
And we can use the squiggle line or we can use the dots to stamp in between here. Which one?
Oh, maybe the squiggle.
Okay, let's do the squiggle. And I'm going to use, it's a girl. A lot of times I think of pink as being a different color than red, but really it's the same color. It's just a different shade. So the cranberry fizz and the pink is going to go beautifully together.
Oh, how adorable is that?
Cute. It looks so good.
Yeah, it's very pretty. Love it. I love embossing. I can emboss everything. Tracy wants to know if she is the only one that has ever heard of crackers. Am I the only one who's ever heard of crackers?
Party crackers. Party poppers.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do some selective stamping again and just do the center there. I may have spilled over a little bit to there. That's okay. We're not going to worry about it.
Oh, pretty.
Oh, so cute. And with a big solid image, sometimes you need to stamp it a couple times to get it nice and smooth. This ink pad probably also needs a re-inking. So that's why I got a little bit of splotchiness there, but it's fine. And then cranberry fizz. Let's do that on the ends.
Nice. Tracy said you're the glitter type of gal.
I am?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll just selectively ink that end. Oh, I love the pink and cranberry fizz together.
Yeah.
Looks
Look at that
so good.
Yeah, that's real nice.
So using your color wheel again, it's a girl and cranberry fizz, same color. They're reds, just different shades. Then we come down here and the martini is the same color as melon ice, just different shades. So I can grab my melon ice and use it with martini, and it's going to give a great, the colors just go together. If you want to go even darker, because martini is dark, but it's not dark dark. So if you pop over to Deck the Halls, which is our darkest green, it's still going to look great with martini because they're right next to each other on the color wheel.
That's a great tool. It's
totally. And it is a free download in our shop if you haven't grabbed it already.
That really helps if you have a challenge with color, you know, what goes with each other.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we have a different end on this cracker. Just line that up.
Look at that.
I think I'm going to do a blend of martini.
Oh, look at that. That's what's nice about the minis.
Oh, so pretty. Yep, just get a little smidge there on either end.
Oh, how cute is that?
Okay. Then we have this little piece in here. There's so many little pieces in here and different ways to use them, but this was made to be kind of like a little tie on the end of your cracker. So if I wanted to go Deck the Halls on that.
Fun.
Ah, perfect. So all the little details just really take your cards up a notch. And it's so fun.
Yeah, it is fun.
I think I got it a little crooked.
They love it. Wowzers, so cute.
Oh, thanks. This is fun.
Hello, Heather. She's late to the party, but you're here.
Yes, no worries. So you can always, when we're done, rewatch.
That's the fun part.
Okay, did melon ice on the outside.
Cute set.
And then martini
On
at the end of there. Perfect.
Oh, I love that. Look at that cracker.
And then we'll grab Deck the Halls. Oh, so cute. Did the snowflake? Let's do the star.
Yeah.
You and I are on the same page, sister. Oh, yeah. Yes, yes.
There's so many cute little things you could put in there. The bow, right?
Yeah, there's
the little flower.
A lot of great images to play with.
That's nice.
And let's do it in cranberry fizz.
Oh, yeah, cranberry fizz. Who doesn't love some cranberry fizz?
Oh, yeah, that really
that's beautiful.
off. So I didn't do any embossed detail on here. I have an idea. Hold for 1 second.
Here she goes. Ooh.
Yeah. I feel like I was in a little rut at the beginning of the week, but I feel like I had a good night's sleep. I went out to dinner last night.
Nice.
So I went to this place called the Blind Pelican.
Oh.
It's not close to here, but it was fun to, anyway, that's irrelevant. They have, I just smushed that around, that's okay. They have Bloody Marys, and they make crazy Bloody Marys. It's a seafood restaurant, and you can add to your Bloody Mary. You can add a skewer of shrimp. You can add crab legs. You can add oysters.
It's a meal in a glass.
Lobster. And I just got a pasta dish, but my friend got the mega, like lobster, oysters, shrimp, everything, crab cake, and it was gigantic, and it came with a pitcher of Bloody Mary.
Oh my God.
It was something. So Blind Pelican, I think it's in Holly Springs here in North Carolina. It was an experience.
Tracy, emboss that star, she said.
What?
Tracy's like, I was thinking the same, emboss the star.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Look
so
at
pretty.
that.
Yeah. So good. You could also do Lime Ricky embossing glitter. We'll coordinate with this as well. So there are the two crackers. They're so cute.
Yeah, they are.
And I want to do one with the Fa La 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 La, but maybe I'll do a reel for Instagram with that. Let's assemble. So I have these. Where to
that restaurant?
It's in Holly Springs. It's called the Blind Pelican. They're on Instagram. Go look up Blind Pelican in Holly Springs, North Carolina, and check out. Or you could Google it. it was something else. I think May Your Holidays Sparkle is the sentiment I'm doing right here.
Oh, that's nice. I like the font on that.
And I'm going to go sideways like this and have one on each side.
Oh, look at that.
And we're going to do something special with sparkle. That is so good.
I love that. That font is great.
Okay, so this is the Rabbit Hole deactivator tool. So basically it's going to dry up my ink here because now I'm going to selectively ink sparkle. And if you're fast, this works. So here's my red embossing glitter. If I'm fast, our ink stays wet for a couple seconds. So we'll just add the embossing powder right on there.
So Elizabeth said she just Googled the blind pelican and the first thing that came up, the Bloody Mary.
Yes. Their Bloody Mary is pretty ridiculous.
And then Anne said you should see the Bloody Mary in Wisconsin. Good grief, she says. That's funny.
What?
She said good grief.
Yeah. It is something. Okay. That'll be up there. This will be down here.
Oh, look at how sweet. That's adorable.
Okay. And a few vanilla and ice I think would be
That's cute.
super
That's cute.
And I have a smudge right there, so let's just cover it with a sparkle.
Oh.
Okay. And then some foam tape. Do you guys have a favorite? Do you like the Rockin red, or which is just an embossing glitter? And then the Sandcastle is chunky and it has more things going on. So it's kind of a clear base. It has gold in it. It has some chunky white. Which do you prefer on these sparklers or crackers? Which one's your favorite? Which one's your favorite, Deb?
Which one do I like? I like this one.
Yeah, I think that one's my favorite too.
Yeah, I love all the glitter on the ends.
Same.
And Krista said you have the touch, Catherine. And I agree.
Thank you. And I think just white on white
is
good
classic.
because there's a lot going on here on these crackers and we don't want to detract from that.
Yeah.
And they
look at
do
that.
look like candies, don't they?
Yes, they do.
I mean, someone might get this card and think they're candies and that's okay. Yeah, I like the white on white on white.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
That's pretty. So many layers.
I think
Christine likes the chunky.
More foam
The red
tape.
sparkle, Pamela said.
What's
Yeah,
that?
you got.
Which you
Everyone
like?
likes both.
All right.
Look it.
And could add
Oh
some
boy. Yes.
sequins.
Oh yeah.
A few gold ones.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. I
The
think
jewel
gold
picker.
is definitely in order here.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
So adorable. Love
May
it.
your heart holiday sparkle. So I hope you guys enjoyed these ideas for using the party crackers on a holiday card and the different inking and embossing techniques that you can do
Fun.
with these party crackers and these fun stamps. Saltwater taffy, yeah, I think so too. So lots
Fun
of ways,
card.
you know,
Got some more time.
whatever
Yes.
makes you happy. You could
It's
make
fun.
saltwater taffy, you could make candies, you can make
Yes.
party crackers.
We love party crackers.
Debbie,
It's a party around
Thank
here.
you for helping me.
thanks for
I
having
so
me.
appreciate it.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Elizabeth.
And what do I use to raise them? This is a roll of foam tape. It's you can pick it up in our shop. Yeah, lasts a long time.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. So you guys have an amazing day, and we will see you tomorrow.
Have a great day. Bye.